Hi, grade 1 Qatari syllabus. This video for Qatari syllabus. Before I will go to continue the rest of the alphabets that I started last video, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. This video, for the second time, I will remind you that for Qatari syllabus, revising on alphabet grade 1. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class, we took some of the letters of alphabets, and today we will continue the rest of alphabets. I will remind you what we took last video. Last video we took capital A and small a, and we know the capital A and small a for what? Apple and ant, and know how to write apple and ant. Let's go to another one. Capital B and small b for bike and boy, bike and boy. Capital C and small c, cat and cake, cat and cake. And as we know the last video that capital C is pronounced as K. To be here K, pronounced as K, written as C and pronounced as K, like cat and cake. Let's go to another letter. Capital D and small d, duck and dinosaur, duck and dinosaur. Capital E and small e, elephant egg, elephant egg. Capital F and small f, frog and fish, frog and fish. Capital G and small g, goat and girl. I will write it here to know how to write it. This is capital letter and this is small letter, and goat written like this. I would like to remind you, if you don't know how to write it, it will be here goat and girl, goat and girl. Okay, let's go to another letter. Capital H and small h, hat and horse, hat and horse. I will write it to know how to write it. This is capital H and small h. It will be hat and horse. It will be hat and horse. Okay, hat and horse. Hat and horse. Let's go to another one. Capital I and small I, ink and insect, ink and insect. I will write it to you here. Capital I, here is written capital I written like this. Capital I and small I, ink and insect, ink and insect. It will be capital I and small I, ink and insect, ink and insect. Ink and insect. It will be here. Capital I and small I, ink and insect. So let's go to another one. Capital J and small j. It will be here capital J and small j. Written like this. For what? J. It will be J. It's written at D. J. And jacket. Say jacket. Jacket and J. And J. It will be here Jame and jacket. Jame and jacket. Okay. Jame and jacket. Jame and jacket. It will be here Jame and jacket. Jame and jacket. Let's go to another one. Capital K and small k. To be here capital K and small k. Capital K and small k. It will be kite and kangaroo. It will be kite and kangaroo. It will be here kite. Okay. Written like this, kite and kangaroo, written like this. So be here, capital K and small k for right and for kite and kangaroo. Let's go to another letter. Capital L and small m, lion and lemon. Capital L and small m, lion and lemon. To be capital L and small l, lion and lemon, lion and lemon. Okay. Capital L and small l, line and limit. And all of us go to the zoo and see the line. I think all of us know the line. And we see, and I think all of us watch it on TV. Capital M and small m. Capital M and small m. Written like this, it will be mouse and moon. Mouse and moon. It could be mouse and moon. Written like this. Mouse and moon. Okay. Let's go to another one. Capital N and small n. Capital N and small n. Nose and nest. Nose and nest. Nose and nest. Capital N and small n. It will be nose and nest. Let's go to another one. Capital O and small o, capital O and small o, olive and octopus, olive and octopus, olive and octopus. Olive and octopus. Capital it will be capital B and small b. Let's go to capital B and small b and know how to write it. Capital B and small b, pencil and penguin. Capital B and small capital B and small b, it will be pencil and penguin. Pencil and penguin. Pencil and penguin. Okay, let's go to another one. Capital Q and small q, quilt and queen. Quilt and capital Q and small q, quilt and queen. Capital Q and small q, it will be quilt and queen. Quilt and queen. Capital Q and small q, it will be quilt and queen. Capital R and small r, ring and rabbit. Capital R and small r, it will be ring and rabbit. Ring and rabbit. Ring and rabbit. Okay. Capital R and small r, it will be ring and rabbit. Let's go to another one. Capital S and small s, star and snake. Capital S and small s will be star and snake. Star and snake will be star and snake. And all of us know that snake lives in what? Snake lives in what? In desert. Okay. Most of us know this. Okay. It would be capital T and small t for table. Capital T and small t. Table and tiger. Table and tiger. It will be table and tiger. It will be table and tiger. Table and tiger. Let's go to another one. Capital U and small u. Capital U and small u. Umbrella and under. Umbrella written like this. Umbrella and under. It will be umbrella and under. It will be umbrella and under. Capital U and small u. It would be here capital V and small v. Let's go to capital V and small v and know the letters related to this, the words related to this letter. It will be here capital V and small v, van and vase. It will be here van and vase, van and vase, van and vase. It will be here van and vase. Van and vase. Capital W and small w, window and wall. Capital W and small w, it will be here window and wall. Window and wall. Capital W and small w, window and wall, window and wall. Capital X and small x, it will be books and fox. It will be books and fox. It will be books and fox. Here is capital, here is X and here is X. Okay. Let's go to another one here. capital Y and small y written like this. This is the difference between capital Y and small y. Capital Y written like this and small y written like this. You must take care when you write it, okay? This is capital Y and this is a small y. This is the difference between them, okay? UU, it will be UU and yellow. It will be here UU and yellow. You must take care when you write it grade 1. When you write capital U and small u. And as we told you before that the sentence must be beginning by the capital letter. It will be here is Y written in capital letter and Y written in small letter. It will be here UU and yellow. Let's go to another letter. It will be the last. It will be the last letter. It will be here capital Z and small z written like this. Capital Z and small z. It will be here zoo and zebra. Zoo and zebra. This is the last. This is the last two words of this letter. So the Z is the last letter. Is the last letter in the English alphabet. It will be capital Z and small z. Zoo and zebra. Okay. I think to benefit. I hope to benefit from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.